and welcome to our YouTube channel, Rubal Solutions. Reading and knowing about some of the terms related to insurance, so decided to share with my Rubal Solutions family. As here on this channel, we tell you the basic things in simple English language. We really hope and wish that it's helpful and useful. Now let's get started. Farm insurance. Whether you are a grazer, grower, dairy farmer, or have a hobby farm, our farm insurance has the covers to protect your farm. Call SDIO on 132 818 to speak with our farm insurance specialist today. Most popular type of cover for farmers. Choosing the right covers for your business can be complicated. To help you with making the important decisions, we provided you with the cover that most businesses like yours choose. Fire and demand events. Our fire and demand events cover can protect you against loss or damage to your business tools, equipments, contents, stock, or a building in the event of a fire, lightning, explosion, earthquake impact, including falling trees, miscellaneous damage, and storm damage as the business premiums. Personal home buildings and contents. Cover your home building and contents. Burglary and theft. Cover protects you from an unknown person breaking into your buildings and stealing stock, contents, or equipments. It also provides cover to the farm contents stolen in the open air. Public and product liability covers claims against you for negligent act in the connection with your business that results in the personal injury or property damage. Motor vehicle and mobile equipment. Cover protects your working or personal vehicle, including tractors, quad bikes, and other mobile plant and machinery. We really hope you get to know about this topic. Interested people, please spread the educational videos on our channel. We are really grateful and thankful for the same. In the end, we would like to say that please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Rubal Solutions. Love, love. Have a nice day.